Hello friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel Gadget Rishi. Today's video we are going to show you how to take the crankshaft deflections on a generator engine. The engine we have today is a Daihatsu 6-cylinder. So first things first, we do the isolations to prevent any accidental startup of the engine. So if you observe, we have moved the fuel rack lever to stop and we've taken local controls. Next, we close the valve for the starting air. That's the main valve. And we also open the drain valve to remove or drain any residual air pressure in the starting air system. Next, we engage the turning gear. And then in preparation to open the crankcase doors, we switch off the power supply to the pre-lube oil pump. Now all the crankcase doors will be opened one by one. So in our case, we are just opening the doors on one side, that is the fuel pump side. Now depending what kind of deflection gauge you have, is it accessible remotely, because the one I will be using is connected with a wire to a display which is outside. There are some dial gauges which are still the traditional type deflection gauges, and we may need to open the doors on either side in order for us to be able to safely read the values on the deflection gauge. So in our scenario, we just open the doors on the fuel pump side. That's the deflection gauge I will be using. So first we build it up using the different adjustable arms to suit the exact gap and the distance that is required. So distance between the two drilled bore pins on the counterweight. So we positioned the gauge and we've turned the engine all the way counterclockwise till it is just at the bottom dead center position. Be careful not to damage the gauge itself by turning excessively. So always leave a small margin while positioning it in the starting position, which is our BDC position. So this first reading is B1, BDC1 or B1, and we have set our meter to 0. So B1 always has to be 0, and now we continue turning the engine in the clockwise direction. So as you can see, we are soon approaching our second reading position, which is the port position, and that is what we have got here, negative 0.02. We continue turning the engine in clockwise direction in order to reach to our next position, which will be the top position. Now continue turning clockwise. From this position we arrive, or we will soon arrive at the next position, which is the starboard position, S. Going further clockwise, we will reach our final position, which we take as B2, and again that will be when the engine is again as close to bottom dead center. Remember, our B2 value should come as close to 0. So to revise, we start with the bottom start position B. Moving clockwise, we go to campsite C. Continuing, we go to top, that is T. Continuing further, we go to exhaust side E, and our final measuring position is bottom stop or A. Now that we have all the readings, comes the calculation part. So how do we calculate the deflection? We have to calculate the vertical deflection, which is the reading of top minus the average of the two bottoms, that is bottom start and bottom stop. And for our horizontal deflection, we calculate as port minus starboard or cam side reading minus the exhaust side reading. We hope you liked the video. For more such maintenance videos, stay subscribed to our YouTube channel Gadget Rishi.